Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. Today we're out here at Lexus. We're doing a fitment on a 2025 Lexus IS350. However, the bracket we're actually putting on here is from the 2019 IS300. So we think that from 19 to 25, the IS300, 350, and 500, this bracket will work for. And it's going to go in the lower center there. So we'll go ahead and get started with the fitment. I'll turn it over to Mike.
All right, thanks, Steve. And like Steve said, this is going to be a no drill, so we're going to be removing 2 factory screws. However, we will not be reusing them. They're going to be a little short because we're going to be adding a spacer, and the bracket's going to sit a little bit lower. You can see these are kind of recessed up in there a little bit. So we're going to take that one out, put it off to the side, and take this one out. Now this is a pretty long stretch. They're about 13 inches apart. I think it's 13 and a quarter to be exact, but probably pushing the limits of our brackets anyway. So we're going to take the base plate and go ahead and get it on. Now we're going to be using 2 1/8-inch spacers and 2 6.3 by 25s, a little bit longer. Like I said, we won't be using the factory one, so we're going to put that through the base plate, add the spacer on top, and we're going to go ahead and start this side. Now it's real important that you start each side before you start tightening up, or you could give yourself some problems trying to go like you snug one up all the way and then try to start it. It could make it so it's hard to line up. So I like to work them in there a little bit, run them down. Now this is a 6.3 by 20, and it's going into an insert, not really a J-clip, but it's a nylon insert, so it kind of cuts the threads as it goes. So this is one where you want to snug it up, and you can tighten. As you can see, I'm tightening it up pretty good, but you don't want to get crazy with it, because even though it's a nylon insert, it can fail if you get too crazy. But as you can see, that's pretty solid. So once that's on there, you're going to take your front plate, start it. I always like to start into hit the pole pin, pull the pole pin, and then you'll hear that click, and then you know it's it's in the right position. So then when you're all done, it should sit about 1/4 inch off the front of the car.
And with all our brackets, you want to make sure that you lubricate your pull pin from time to time with WD-40. And if you go through a car wash, anything that's going to have make contact with the front plate and your license plate, you're going to want to make sure you remove it. If it's just water, then it's okay, but anything brush or roller, you definitely want to remove it. And your license plate will go on the front plate, and you are done. That's where it's going to sit.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.